In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Geometry Dash on a PlayStation 5 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about all the ways in which you will be able to use a DualSense controller to play Geometry Dash. Natively, you aren't able to use the controller, so if you just try to connect it to your phone or a PC running Geometry Dash, you will notice that it doesn't support controllers, so you will need to use specific workarounds. First, I'm gonna be talking about iOS. Then I'm going to be addressing Android, and then also what to do if you are on a PC. On iOS, it is arguably the simplest because all that you need to do is connect your controller to your smartphone, so your iPhone. All that you have to do here is press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button. This will enable Bluetooth pairing on the controller, and then you can connect it wirelessly to your phone. Once it has been connected, go to the settings and choose the accessibility tab at the left. Inside of the Accessibility tab, make sure that both of these options are enabled. Perform touch gestures and use game controller. This will give you the support to use assistive touch with the controller, and touch gestures should also be enabled. Then if you scroll down, you can enable assistive touch. This will allow you to use the controller to tap on the screen and do specific actions, including a custom cursor. And as you might imagine, by having this cursor and by having the controller allowed to use actions, whenever you press a specific button, it will register a tap on the screen, which essentially allows you to control the game. So all that you have to do is enable these options and set up the gestures. If you are on Android, the functionality also exists, but it isn't going to be natively available, so you need to download something that gives you the functionality. So you can look for something like Key Mapper or Controller Mapper on the Play Store, or look for APKs. This one was the most popular, but it was taken off from the Play Store. It is titled Octopus, and it does essentially what Assistive Touch does. It is going to give you the option to assign specific actions to the buttons on your controller, and they will do specific things on your smartphone, including touching on the screen, which consequently allows you to move and play Geometry Dash using the controller. And for Steam, what you will have to do is use something like Steam Controller Support. In there, they will map the controller for you, and you can assign specific mouse actions to the controller. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us run the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.